So hey guys, I have a fidget spinner today. They're like very cool and they're very popular right now. But they just have like all kinds of fidget spinners. Like basically, if you search up fidget spinner, there's gonna be a million pictures of them. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you my special fidget spinner. I'm gonna try something before that. I'm gonna put this fidget spinner. Look at that. And I'm gonna put this hole and see if it'll still film me. Oh, you guys see that? Oh. Yay, still filming. Hi. 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 Okay. Yeah. Sorry guys, but I have another one. It's a black one, but I can't find it. I think it might be in my room. I'm just too lazy to get it. Oh, look at my shirt. Wait, it's opposite. Sorry. Yeah. Like, if you go to school one day, somebody has this, tell them to put it back. Because they say they're allowed in school, the teachers hate them. Oh my God, you don't know how much they hate them. Like, if you have one of these in class, they'll be like, put that away, put that away now, and they'll be like, and then like after school, you'll be like, you'll take it out, and the teacher will be like, put that away, sweetie. Put that away, sweetie. Okay. But, I bought this one at Wegmans, for like $3. But most of them you can only buy online. See, look at that cool design. Look at how cool that is. You see that? That's sick. I mean, but it does, if you get one, the design will not look like this. Just a heads up if you get it. It's just a weird function of the camera. So, I think, Amazon Prime sells them for like in the range of $1 to $30. Unless it's like this sick, awesome one with let's say basically, are you fans of Nike or Under Armour or Adidas? What if they come out with this thing that says Nike with the swoosh, and wouldn't that be like awesome with just a bearing in the middle? You could just fidget with it. Like, I mean, how awesome would that be? Like, I would see why that would go over $30. Yeah, but these were made for kids with special needs. Like, look, like if you go like this all the time, and like just tap in your stomach like this, and like you tap your feet on the ground to a beat, like, but this is what you do with it, basically. Practically silent. So, it's just a really fun way. It's just really fun. And there's also this thing that I also recommend. It's called a fidget cube. So if you don't think you like the fidget spinners, I recommend a fidget cube. And there's also this other thing that I think should be part of the fidget family. They're called thumbchucks. I don't know if you've heard of them, but they're really cool. I mean, I want them for my birthday. I mean, yeah, I want them for my birthday. So I think now I'm gonna show you my special fidget spinner. I'm gonna go in the shade to do this where it's not so sunny. So let's go move into the shady spot. Sorry. Okay, so look at this. Look at that. No, let me take it out of the case. Look at this. It's lighting up. Okay, look at how sick that is. Look at that, sick. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, can you believe that? I mean, like, look at that. Slick. But this fidget spinner also comes with a consequence. So if you're getting a fidget spinner, never get the two-sided ones. Never. 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 So, look. If you get the two-sided ones, look at this. If you rotate it, look how fast that dies. See, I don't know if you can see on camera. Look how fast that went out. Look at that. I'm just rotating it. Hey guys, so as you can see, the two-sided one comes with a consequence. I cannot make this video any longer because there's something funky going on with my camera. See you guys next time. Bye. Please like and subscribe.